everyone! I'm Lily. Today, we will learn 5 important prepositions. Let's begin! About. We use about for the topic. I watch a movie about dinosaurs. I watch a movie about dinosaurs. I read a book about animals. I read a book about animals. I am excited about my holiday. I am excited about my holiday. I talk about my day. I talk about my day. From. We use from for where something starts. I buy fresh bread from the bakery. I buy fresh bread from the bakery. I get a postcard from my sister. I get a postcard from my sister. I pull a bucket from the well. I pull a bucket from the well. I receive a package from the post office. I receive a package from the post office. With. We use with for using something. I cut the pizza with a knife. I cut the pizza with a knife. I write with a pink pen. I write with a pink pen. I drink tea with honey. I drink tea with honey. I wash my hands with soap. I wash my hands with soap. Of. We use of for part of something. I open the lid of the box. I open the lid of the box. I eat a piece of cake. I eat a piece of cake. I drink a glass of orange juice. I drink a glass of orange juice. I open the door of my house. I open the door of my house. To. We use to for movement or direction. I cycle to school. I cycle to school. I send a letter to my friend. I send a letter to my friend. I fly to another city. I fly to another city. I go to bed early. Can you write 5 sentences using these prepositions? Write them in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.